I'm Evita. These are my sisters.
Liliana.
So we've been in Rome for a couple of days, and we're so excited to take pictures, obviously. But tomorrow we want to take pictures by the Trevi Fountain, and you know there's always so many people, right?
Too many.
We've been here so many times, but this time we're gonna get it right. On Pinterest, we see these pictures with no one in them.
How do they do that?
So you guys are either really good at editing or you guys are going at the right time. So tomorrow we're gonna go so early. How early?
Probably like 6 in the morning.
Okay, so I like flipped out, but we
literally
didn't
climbed
catch
on
it,
the wall.
and I definitely got yelled at for being on this wall. I sit on it, but we will show you pictures soon. We have no evidence, but we have pictures.